Good morning again, everyone. It's Christine back at Fibre Carpet Care in Oak Bay, and Harry is currently cleaning the area rug at the lovely home in Victoria. And you can clearly see the dirt peeling off of this rug. Oh, it's going to be beautiful when it's done. Look at that. See, everyone, you can get your area rugs done in your home. You don't have to take them to some expensive place. Leave them there for a week. They incorporate the storage charge in your fee, and then you go pick it up about a week later, and it costs you a lot more. So this is a lovely example of a great job of an area rug. Great job as usual, Harry. I'll just continue on watching this a little bit here. Going around the edges now.
Look
at that, eh?
No, I'm not happy.